Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Engineer Hanifullah. In this class, I will start a new course that is Autodesk Civil 3D. First of all, I am going to discuss about the course content for Autodesk Civil 3D. So we will start from the introduction of Civil 3D course, and then we will also discuss about the installation of this software. After that, we will discuss how to load surveying data and then to create topo mapping, like creating surface and creating contours. After that, we will discuss about the alignment and profiling. Similarly, we will move to discuss about assembly creation, corridor creation, then cross section, and then material adjustment to find earthwork quantity, plan and profile sheeting, and finally data exporting. So this is about the course content, which we will complete one by one in videos. Now I am coming toward the introduction to Autodesk Civil 3D course. So AutoCAD Civil 3D is a commercial civil engineering design and documentation solution that support building information modeling. This software is used on a variety of civil infrastructure projects, including road and highway design, land development, railway design, and airports. The first version of this software was released back in 2005, and currently the latest version that is available on Autodesk website is Civil 3D 2025, and the latest version is released in August 2024. So the history of using AutoCAD Civil 3D is 20 years. Now this is about the application of this software for any kind of projects like road and highway design, railway design, land development, airport design, site design, topo and watershed analysis. First of all, we must have surveying data, and this surveying data is gathered using total station or drone surveying or any other appropriate tool. So once we have this data regarding any of these projects, then we can process the points with the help of Civil 3D software. Now this is about how to download and install Autodesk Civil 3D. So this software is available on the website of Autodesk. You can easily visit this website and download the software. After downloading, you must sign up using your license key. So your license key may be a purchase product, or it may be of student or educator version. I am currently using educator version, and the benefit of using license version is to get all the features that is required in working in AutoCAD Civil 3D software. Download and installation process is now completed, and now we can open the Civil 3D software to see the welcome screen. Now this is about the user interface. Once you install the AutoCAD Civil 3D, then by opening the software you will see this screen. There are various portions in this software. I am going to discuss each and everything one by one. So first of all, we have this button which is known as application menu, and from here we can do the generalized setting. We will see it in other videos for detailed explanation. The second part of Civil 3D software is quick access toolbar, from where you can access to start a new drawing or open an existing drawing, or to save the drawing or printing your project. Next is the major portion which is known as ribbon. So this complete area which is highlighted in this yellow color rectangle is known as ribbon. Ribbon is having tabs like home, insert, which is shown here, home tab, insert tab, annotate, modify, and these remaining. And then in each tab there are panels. Like in home tab we have palettes, we have create group data, ground data, create design, draw command, modified command, and layers. Similarly, in each panel we have commands. Like if I'm going to discuss about draw command, then there is line, circle, rectangle, hatch command, polyline, etc. So this is about the ribbon. Now this is the file tab. You can rename your file as per the project in which you are working. This is viewport, from where you can see top view, right side view, back view, front view, and some other isometric views. Similarly, you can also see different visualization style by using this button. Currently 2D wireframe is enabled, so you can change it from here to see the realistic view, or to see conceptual view, or hidden, or any other visualization style. This is the view cube. With the help of view cube you can quickly switch to different kind of views just by clicking on that side. Currently the top view is selected. If you click on this side or on this side or at the corner of this cube, then that particular view will be activated. This is navigation bar, from where you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can also use 3D orbit or pan command. This is the model space and paper space bar. Model space is the one in which we are going to create our projects, and where we can work or modify the drawings. So this is the area where designers are able to work in the drawings. The second part is paper space, which is layout 1, layout 2, and you can add more as well. So from paper space you can set the drawing for printing. or you can save it in different styles. This is user coordinate system, and this is about the command line from where you can type any command for working in your drawings. And this is about the status bar. In status bar, if you look, there are various buttons, and all these buttons are known as toggle button or toggle keys. When you click on any one of these buttons, then the function of that button will be enabled, and when you click on it again, then its function will be switched off. So this is about the welcome screen of Civil 3D, and the last component which I am going to discuss is about workspace switching button. So this is workspace switching button. From here you can activate Civil 3D, or you can activate 2D drafting or 3D modeling workspace. Currently all these commands and all these panels are activated for Civil 3D, and if you go and click on this arrow key, then you will see the other option of workspace, where you can select 2D drafting, or you can also select 3D modeling. So if I click on this and select 3D modeling, then all these commands will disappear, and the command for 3D modeling will appear here. So the ribbon will change accordingly with respect to workspace which you have selected. This is about the unit system which is available in Autodesk Civil 3D. So both imperial and metric system of units are available in Autodesk Civil 3D. An imperial units drawing are produced in inches, feet, while millimeter and meter units are utilized in metric system. Once you click on unit setting, then this dialog box will appear, from where you can change the type of units. Currently the architectural unit is chosen. So the different unit types available in Civil 3D are architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. So we will work in these three, in which architectural unit and engineering unit is used for imperial system, while the decimal system is used when you are going to prepare your drawing in metric system. Now I'm coming toward the drawing limits, which is very important for creating drawings, and the aim of setting limits is to restrict the area in which you are going to prepare your drawing. And this means that the drawing area in which you are working must be matching with the dimension of required drawing. For example, if your drawing is having dimension like 100 feet by 100 feet, I mean, if the surveying data is taken for an area which is around 100 feet by 100 feet, then you must restrict the drawing area which is matching to 100 feet by 100 feet. Drawing limits are set before starting any task in Autodesk. The purpose of setting limits is to restrict the area of graphic window as per dimension of required drawing. Without setting limits, a lengthy line like 100 feet line may appear as a dot, on the screen or a short line like 2 inches may exceed the graphic window. In such cases, you need to zoom out or zoom in again and again while drawing various objects. To avoid this misunderstanding, first, drawing limits are defined. Now I'm again going to the welcome screen. So this area is known as graphic window, and we must set limits for graphic window according to the drawing. So lower left corner is selected as per the drawing. Currently I set 0, 0, and I also set the upper right corner, which is 25, 20. So this area, which is 25 units on x-axis and 20 units on y-axis, is required for a particular drawing whose dimension are somehow less than 25 and 20 units. Now I am going to discuss about templates. So these are predefined and already prepared design templates, and these are available in both units, like in imperial units and in metric system. Similarly, both type of templates, like if you are going to work in 3D or you are going to work in 2D, are available in template list. The ACAD.dwt or ACAD 3D.dwt are the templates that are used in imperial units for 2D and 3D drawing respectively. However, ACAD ISO.dwt and ACAD ISO 3D.dwt are used in metric system for 2D and 3D drawing respectively. The .dwg or .dwt are the file types or extensions for the civil 3D drawings. If the file type is .dwt, then it means that you are starting your drawing from the template. However, if you are directly starting a new drawing that is not from the template, then its file type will be .dwg. Now this is about how to select different objects in Autodesk Civil 3D. So basically we have two types of selection. One is box selection and the second one is lasso selection. First I am going to discuss box selection. In box selection we have two types. One is window selection and the second one is crossing selection. In case of window selection, if you are interested to select an object in your drawing area, then you must click on the left side of that object and then drag your mouse to the right side. So this will work to select the object in window selection. However, if you are going to click on the right side of object and then you are dragging to the left side, then crossing window will start and the objects will be selected accordingly. The function of these two types of selection is different. In case of cross selection, if an object is just touching the window, then the object will be selected. However, in case of window selection, an object will be selected only if that object is completely coming inside this window. I will show these function and these command in the projects for better explanation. And this is the working principle of these two selection types. In crossing selection, you must click on right side and then drag your mouse to the left side. However, in case of window selection, you must click on left side of object and then dragging your mouse to the right side. This is another type of selection which is known as lasso selection. In lasso selection, we also have two types. Lasso crossing selection, in which you are clicking on the right side of object and then dragging your mouse to the left side. However, in lasso window, you click on left side and then dragging your mouse to the right side. Pick auto command is used to turn off or on lasso selection mode. Thank you so much.